That's pretty smart. Yeah, actually, that's really smart. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start with the dumb way of doing this. this right there. Okay, I need No idea if that works actually. Oh, it worked. I'm not sure why the magnifier is always so slow. Oh, I guess I can't go bigger. Okay. Times 2. Let's drop that to 11. Hello, Squirrel Quan. Yeah. I mean, if you can't think smarter, you just need to just do it. Like, try harder. Yeah, I do. Or rather, I might. I'm not entirely sure. But I know you're a mod, so I know you were there before. What am I trying to do? I'm making a game right now. Since I'm guessing you haven't been here in a long time, this is what I'm making. The goal in this game is to cross over those lava things. So your goal is just to keep going straight. I'll show you in game what it looks like. If the game ever starts. Why did it not start? Did I not click the button? Oh, right, never mind. That was to be expected. Because I'm currently writing the code and... BT, remove that. Remove that. Oh, I'm not even at the right spot. There you go. Okay, that should fix it. So this is the game. The goal is to observe the patterns and then be able to cross. The game works by right-clicking. It computes the path for you. So like this one is a bit faster. There you go. And then there are some patterns that are a bit more complicated. By the way, don't mind the anti-aliasing, I turned that off yesterday. Oops. So if you get hit, you respawn. So the game is a puzzle game. Essentially, you need to observe how to cross. Like, try to notice the safe spots. Obviously, like in the real game, the levels are gonna be easier at the start and harder towards the end. Like this is a bit too hard probably already. So once you figure it out, then you can start to cross. So I know the pattern, so it's not too hard. So this is pretty much the game. Now I have a map editor, so I'm able to go into the map, see all the timings, play them if I want to. Now what I'm coding is a way to figure out from the editor if a level is possible to beat. So instead of forcing players to beat the level and then if they can beat it then I know it's possible, I want the game to know that on its own. So now I know it's possible. And also I wanted to figure out if it's possible to beat it, and I also wanted to show me how to beat it, like the solution. And however many solutions there are, like I wanted to show, I wanted to see everything. For example, like this one, it would show me the solution I just did. But it should also show me this shortcut. How did I learn how to do this? Experience, I guess. So the more projects you work on, I guess the smarter you are. Like the easier it is for you to think about how to do all this. Yeah. So like all this is temporary art. The real thing is gonna look more like this, with some actual nice graphics and like actual world building, pretty much. Also, what you're listening to right now is the game music. It's not completely finished, but you can still hear. How you do what I'm doing is mostly like you break problems down into really a lot. Yeah, this is my job. I'm an indie dev. So how you you do something like this is like you start by making everything simpler. You break problems down, and then you can do whatever you want. So in other words, I have code that does pathfinding, so I start with that. Maybe early on I don't have any terrain at all, I can just move anywhere. So like pathfinding, there's like a component that handles the speed of how you move. There's a part that handles drawing, like how to draw little shapes, how to draw squares, how to draw images. Then you can start to think about how, like, everything is broken down, like then there's like part that detects if you're dead. So like you don't do everything at once, you do one little thing at a time. Like here I have animation, so like this circle moves over time. Like it's not just a flat, like this here is a flat image, these one they move, like so like you start to think, how do I make something move? Well, for a game, let's go check. If I go into my content, like this here is like the mouse. When I click, you can see this little circle. It starts small, grows, and then becomes smaller. It's probably hard to see perfectly. Then I have animations for where did I put it? Okay, like this. So like animation, like so you break everything down. I'm not that good in animation. Like I'm able to do simple stuff. Like this is extremely simple. Is it me or is my sound completely glitched? So like when you're making a game, like you're gonna have to touch a lot of different technologies, a lot of different ideas or ways to solve what you're trying to do. Like for example, like just like this, there's like a background, like I handle like rotations. No, I'm making the game for myself. I plan on selling it on Steam later. Oops. Oh, close one. So like in this, there's an animation system with timings. Oh. There we go. Yeah. I practiced a lot to be good. Oh, what? Really? I keep misclicking. There you go, yeah. Those ones are pretty hard. I mean, the pattern is not too hard, like you just need to go up correctly. And I've beat it so many times that I'm sort of used to it now. Oh shit. I keep getting hit like ever so slightly. I'm trying to like save time. There you go. This one is more, it's not so much, it's not too hard. It's more about clicking. Like you need to exactly land in those little spots. Like when you're here, you have like 3 safe spots. I go here, and then I go here, and then I go down here. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now is something that's going to be able to find if a level is possible to beat. So this right here is a circle. I don't understand how this thing works. Like how this image thing allows me to... whatever. So yeah, that's a nice little circle. So I need to recreate that in my game. In MATLAB is what, 4 lines of code to compute, and then yeah, anyways. Sample offsets. That's sort of a problem. 5, that's 11. That's a good shortcut. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna start with 5. I really wish I could zoom in easily. Oh, cool. I'll be right back. So if it's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 3 by 3. It means 9. Wait, what? I have a question. For some reason, my number 5 on the keyboard is programmed to F. Like when you press 5, it does an F. Do you have a non-screen keyboard? If you check that, what do you see here? Because it's either your keyboard has a weird layout, or you have an outside application that is, when you press 5, it does something with it. So either it's a problem on your keyboard layout, or it's probably an application that does it, that messes your shit up. So you can just like search for on-screen keyboard, it's already in your computer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 25. So times 2 means 4, and with the 0 it's 5. So I end up with 5. So can I... 1, 2, 3 times 4, 12. 25 minus 12, 13. So with 2 I get 13.
Thanks for the money.
Hey, thanks Squirrel, come on. Keep up the good work, yeah. That surprised me. Hopefully the game is gonna be good. Like, here, since you're here, I'll try to explain to you what the story is about, or what the setting is. Okay, check that out. Oh, by the way, if you're a programmer and you want to take notes, and you have it like me, I have like a graphic tablet where I can write with a pen. This program is called Milton. It's really useful to just write any amount of notes that you want. Anyways, the game is called Rashtal. The idea is that you're on a planet where the planet is just so big. Wait, no, never mind. Okay, the idea is that you're on a planet, and on the planet there's a big volcano, and the volcano is like really big. So the game is happening somewhere. Oh, you're saying F5. Oh. F5. I didn't realize that you were trying to say F5. Like you wrote F5. But like you can't write 5, so that's the reason. F5, that's so funny. I wonder how fast I can figure it out. And when you check the on-screen, oh, that's kind of really funny. It did the same thing to me a while ago. Every time I would do this sort of braces, it would instead skip to the next music, and I couldn't figure it out, like why. And then eventually I discovered that I had an application that controlled music without, and I didn't really realize that. So every time, and the way to switch to the next song was to press this key. And if you press 5 on the on-screen keyboard, it probably still refreshes, right? So that tells me that it's probably an application that you have running. So check like your task, like what is running on your computer, and then there might be an application that you don't expect. Oh. So I guess at least you have a workaround. So if you want to write 5, at least you can use the on-screen. Why would it do that then? But on the on-screen it refreshes. On the keyboard. I'm trying to find a reason right now. I'll have to think about it, because it's not right away obvious why it would do that, especially if it doesn't do that with the on-screen keyboard. Anyways, so yeah, the game is like you're on this big planet and then you're playing somewhere in there. So you're a sort of alien where beating a level allows you to absorb volcano energy. Oh, yeah, okay. Actually, that actually might be the reason. Like, let's say we look at this. Like, even if you're on your profile, you might have something that is changed, because even the default can be modified. I don't have a keyboard, but like this is for my mouse. Yeah, because that would explain why using the on-screen keyboard doesn't mess up. Yeah, that actually might be why. Do I have access to this? Okay, I'll hard code it for now. Get rid of that. And A equals smaller than I think that's the right way. Smaller are equal to 5. I'm working by myself on the code, but I have people like, for example, the music you're hearing, this is done by someone else. And the art itself, like all this drawing, is also done by an artist. Originally, I wanted to make my own art, but I mean, I can never ever get something that looks that good, so. And I kind of want a game that looks like this. So in terms of what I'm doing, like I write the code and I also think about the story and the lore, how the game works, and then I find people that are able to bring that vision to life. I need a counter. And sure. equals 0 if something count plus plus that works. Sample offset position count equals something, whatever that is. I need this function. I forget how to do the other math the other way, so I'm just doing that. Okay, what's so wrong with that? X, I, J. What? There is no argument that corresponds to the... Oh. I guess I forgot that. There you go. I, J. Actually, this should not give me an error now. Oh, I did that. Offsets, perfect. Now I... minus speed. Is that what I want? So this would give me -2, 1, 0, 1, 2. That works. Okay. Now I just need to set the component. As far as I can tell, that should work. I'll just use speed times 2. Speed times 2. Okay. It doesn't work. Texture size is no longer required. I forget what I was even using that for. What was I using that for? Doesn't work. Right. That's why it's required. Dun, dun. Divided by texture size. Oh. Hello, Kianj Jet. Welcome to the stream. Oh, that's good. Are you a dev yourself? Let's go up to 3. One, two. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4, 20. That's wrong, right? Hey, thanks for stopping by. Hey, thanks. Maybe you'll be able to catch on my game at some point when it's out on Steam. $49 minus 20. I end up with 29. 29, I mean. $29. Three. That's cool, it didn't break. Can I try something better? 4 times 2. 81. Let's try 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 4. Wait, my mind is broken. 48? 32? 8 times 4, 32, yeah. 81 minus 32. 49. $49. 4. $31. Line 17. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So I cannot use that high of a sample count. Okay, drop back down to that. Drop back down to 3. Let's go. 21 mornings. Oh no, never mind. Okay. Drop it down to 1. How can I add more quality? Oh, there is one thing I wanted to test. It's still insanely fast. Does that work? I don't think it's doing anything. What about that? That's kind of annoying. Okay, fine, I'll try that. Obviously it doesn't work. Right, let's give it a stress test. If play. Let's try that. Yeah, it is fast. Oh, it's slow now. Oh, why did it slow down? It's dropping. $64. Can I just change that number and it's enough? That worked. It's still slowing down eventually. Ten, 7, 6, 8. Am I just getting like filling my memory up? I'm not sure if I'm glitched that guy.